Now starting with data types, the first and the simplest is the boolean type. Now what exactly is a boolean type? Now boolean is a variable that you will use to check whether some value is true or false, whether some state is now on or off. So for example, if you just want to set in a variable to say game over, so when everything is completed or somebody achieves the desired score, you need to set the state of the game to over so that nothing happens beyond that. So this is the one byte variable and it has only two values, true or false. So there are only two values that you can assign to a boolean in Java, and that is true or false. And since Java is case sensitive, you can't use a value such as true with a caps T or a caps F. So the exact way to write a boolean in Java is to be exactly like this, true or false, all small. And how do you declare a boolean variable? You say the type, which is boolean, any name that you need to give to the variable, say game over, and then you assign a value to this variable which could be true or false. So in Java nothing works as a boolean except true or false, because Java is strongly typed and it has a strong checking for the data that you pass to the variable. So in C, C++ or in JavaScript or Python, you could use say 10, 20, 0 values which are int or values which are string to be used for a boolean value. But in case of Java, the only two values that you could use for a boolean is only true or false. Nothing works except these two values. So these are the only two literals that you could use in boolean data type. So hope it clears. Boolean you could use for checking if something is, the state of something is in or not in, and it's one byte variable, and this is how you declare a boolean variable.